we have this very interesting geometry question. So in this, we need to find angle ACB. Which is this angle? The angle where arrow is pointing, that is angle ACB. Apart from this, we are given few conditions, that is AC and EC are equal to each other. So if AC and EC are equal to each other, that means the angles opposite to them will also be equal. So I'm assuming them as X and X. Similarly, I can see side BC and CF are equal to each other. So we have this angle and this angle equal to each other. I am assuming them as Y each. Like I assumed X each here, I am assuming Y each here. Apart from this, look at triangle ACE. The sum of these three angles is 180, correct? So if sum of these three angles is 180, what will be this angle? This angle will be 180 minus 2x, correct? Similarly, look at triangle BCF. This angle will be 180 minus 2y. Like here we have 180 minus 2x. This will be 180 minus 2y, correct? Because sum of three angles is 180 degree. Now please see that these three angles, 180 minus 2x, angle ACB, and this angle 180 minus 2y, these three angles lie on a straight line. Okay, so let me just write it down. Angle 180 minus 2x plus angle ACB plus angle 180 minus 2y. These three angles are lying on a straight line. That means the sum of these three angles will be 180 degree. Correct? Now we can cancel out 180 and 180. If we simplify this further, we will get angle ACB is equals to twice of x plus y minus 180. Okay. Now from where we can find this value of x plus y so that we can find the value of angle ACB? Let's see. Look at the largest triangle, that is triangle DEF. Triangle DEF. Here we have three angles, 40 degree angle, this angle E, that is X, this angle F, that is Y. The sum of these three angles is 180 degree. Yes. Now from here we can say X plus Y is 140 degree. Correct? Now we can use this value of X plus Y here in this equation. So we can write it as 2 times 140 minus 180, which will give us 280 minus 180. What does that mean? That means angle ACB is equals to, this is 100 degree. Correct? Angle ACB is 100 degree. This angle where the arrow is pointing at, that is 100 degrees. Okay. So this is our final answer.